Hi, I am Miriam Bonilla. I'm the sales and customer support responsible for Edibon. Edibon International strives to produce the most effective and advanced technical teaching equipment. We are offering you a teaching technique that is unique to the market, the Edibon SCADA net. The SCADA systems provide a learning experience that allows integration of the classroom and the laboratory composed of advanced units with computer control. With over 25 years of experience in designing and manufacturing advanced units, we are able to offer you advanced units that are totally safe and provide rapid data acquisition. The Edibon SCADA was originally developed by our engineers. We are the only company that is able to offer you this advanced type of computerized units. SCADA with PID control, open control, real-time control, and with a rate of 250,000 data per second, multi-control and multi-student pause. So I invite you to watch this video about. Thank you.
So you may be thinking, what is an SCADA? SCADA is an acronym for System or Supervision, Control, Acquisition, Data. So basically, SCADA is a data acquisition and control system. It is Edibon's original computer-controlled system. Many of Edibon's computer-controlled units have SCADA with PID control. This is a valuable addition to the SCADA system. The PID, or Proportional Integral Derivative Control, is the most common control used in many unitary processes in industrial applications. With SCADA, each variable in PID can be individually manipulated. We can analyze any process in any unit by changing the proportional gain and/or integral time and/or derivative time. There are some other parameters that affect the result that can be adjusted one by one, such as gain, offset, and volts. Edibon's own advanced SCADA technology provides open control, multi-control, and real-time control, and multi-student post. These are very important when you wish to teach at the highest level or perform research. Edibon today is the only company on the market designing, manufacturing, or selling teaching equipment that uses all of these. SCADA is part of every one of our computerized units, which are available in nearly every category of our product range. We will now go into detail on the three main components of our computerized units: computer control system, data acquisition system, and computer-aided system. The purpose of the computer-controlled system is to control any unit operation or unitary process. The industry uses all of these levels, but Edibon is the leader of this technology in the teaching market. This group allows many divisions as follows. These open control facilities are so important for teachers as they can explain all concepts involved in the PID control very quickly in a clear way for the students to understand. The PID concept is not clear for most professional engineers working today in the industry, but by using the Edibon computer control SCADA with PID control, all of the students can get a clear concept, quick understanding, and it is easy for the teachers to explain these important concepts. Multi-control is similar to open control, but with many parameters under open control at the same time, meaning the results of multiple sensors are visible at the same time, as well as their graphed curves. Any pump, valve, etc. can also be changed at any time. We say that we use real-time control because all of the information arriving to the computer from the unit throughout the interface are all electronic signals that move very fast in nanoseconds. Multi-student post allows multiple students to work with a unit at one time. The system allows connection to an electronic whiteboard or projector visible to the entire class. The instructor can explain to the entire class at once, as well as compare the results of the students. Most importantly, you have computer control over the unit by using the electronic whiteboard. LabVIEW is a software structure designed by National Instruments that allows any user to design their own software for their own applications. The LabVIEW software is considered a very standard software and is well known in probably all departments in higher education institutions in the world. Once you understand how to use the software with one unit, the other units will be easy to operate because they are all similar. National Instruments software is used globally in industrial applications or processes. Therefore, Edibon software provides valuable experience to the student. Another practice possibility of the system is to use the programmable logic controller. The PLC can be used with or without the personal computer to implement each process control. It provides hands-on with the unit process with programming exercises, and it is compatible with requirements of industrial processes. The SCADA Net teaching system allows 30 students to work at the same time and with multiple units simultaneously. Please follow the link below for more details on this expansion. Next, we would like to clarify what we mean by data acquisition system. The data acquisition system in our computerized units monitors and displays the data, records and stores the data, and plots or graphs the data. The data acquisition board has no control over the unit. It only records the data samples in the computer rather than the old-fashioned way of the student manually logging all of the data points. Edibon uses a data acquisition board that records 250,000 samples per second and 2.5 million for telecommunications, which is required for analyzing the curves and results. Now we will move on to the computer-aided system portion of computerized units. Pure simulation software allows you to simulate on the computer the real process, but all the data handled is theoretical. Edibon only uses this in complex, high-tech electronics. Teachers CAI allows the teachers to organize and control the students. They can view the students' progress and detect difficulties. They can assess them with exams, etc. The student CAI provides a detailed explanation of the theory. It also has practice exercises in which the computer guides the student. These two computer-aided instruction software systems are available for basic electronics, digital electronics, basic electrical concepts, electronics applications, and controls. View the catalog for exact units. The CAL calculation software makes calculations and plots the curves of the data by using the appropriate formulas. This software is available for basic fluid mechanics, basic electronics, telecommunication, electricity, and mechanics. The Edibon teaching units are the only ones in the market providing total safety. So what does this mean? Suppose the mechanical or electrical device fails for any reason, meaning the pressure switch is broken or blocked out or cut out for bad student intention. If this is the case, the electronic device works and cuts off. In case if pressure increases to a dangerous level. How does it work? The pressure sensor is regulated for working in a particular range, sending proper millivolts or milliamps to the electronic interface. So if this amount exceeds the electronic system in the interface, it cuts off. But suppose that the mechanical safety device fails and the electronic safety device fails, or the student cuts it out. In this case, the software device operates as the software package has designed it for working only inside a particular pressure range. We explained the situation with pressure, but this philosophy can be applied to any sensor used in any Edibon computer-controlled unit. When a teacher buys Edibon